Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so this strategy is for scalping. All right, you don't need to stay in the market for long using this strategy. All right, I will quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. All right, then after that, I will be explaining how to take entry and exit with this strategy. Okay, so first thing first, we want to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we search for the fractal. All right, so these are the settings for the fractal. You can use the default setting, or you make the color blue 3 pixel and then you click on done. The next indicator we have here is the stochastic oscillator, right? So you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your stochastic oscillator. These are the properties for the stochastic oscillator. The care period is 1, D period is 1, slowing is 1, price yield is low high, method is simple. The level you make it 15 and 85 color red, 3 pixel, you click on done. The time frame you leave it as it is. The style you are going to make it the main, you make the color of your background 1 pixel. Also the signal, you make it the color of your background 1 pixel, and then you click on done. All right, that's it for the stochastic. Now the next indicator here is moving average. All right, so when you add the stochastic, this indicator window one here will be formed. All right, so you have to click on this second plus icon here, then you search for the moving average. Right, now these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 35, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close. The level you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style you make it color red 3 pixel and then you click on done. All right, now the last indicator here is still a moving average. You click on the indicator in the 1 plus icon again, you search for moving average again. Right, now you make the period 10, the shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close. The color you make it green 3 pixel and then you click on done. All right, so once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, now this is how you take entry with this strategy. It's as simple as ABCD. Okay, first things first, you want to allow the moving average, the black and the green, to get to the overbought level, which is our 85 level here, as you can see. Right, so when it gets to this level, you are looking for sell, and when it gets to the 15 level here, you are looking for buy. All right, so I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll be giving one example in this video. All right, but it's the same method you apply every time. All right, now for your entry, you are going to first of all observe, and when you notice that this green is crossing below the black line here on the indicator window, you start observing here on the main chart also. Okay, now before you wait for the crossing, you want to make sure that this green and the black line is at the 85 level. Right, so once you observe this, you want to see that the green here is crossing below the black line. All right, so when you see this crossing, you wait for it to cross successfully, then before you take your entry. All right, there's another method you can use. All right, now this involves a little bit of price action. All right, so you want to wait for price to, once the indicators here get to the overbought level, you want to wait for price to break below the most recent structure. All right, before you think of taking an entry if the indicator has given you a sell signal. Right, now this here is the most recent structure the market made, as pinpointed by the fractals. Right, now you are going to mark it the most recent structure, which is around this area here. All right, now when you mark it out, the next thing you want to do is you wait for price to break below that structure. All right, when marking it, you make sure you mark the tip of the candlestick. All right, that's where you use, don't mark the body, you mark the tip. All right, so now when price downs around and then eventually break below your line, the line which you withdraw, all right, when it break and then close below that line, all right, now if it's closing below it, the candlestick, the body of the candlestick must close on below that line before you confirm that it has given you a sell signal. Okay, so you make sure that it crosses and then close like this candlestick you are seeing here. So at this area now, this is where you take your sell from. All right, for example, you place your sell around this area, and then your stop loss is going to be above the most recent structure, which is around this area here. And then for your TP, you are going to wait for this green line here to get to the 15 level, and then you exit, or you can target for the most recent structure. All right, you target for the next structure you can see in the market, either this here, or you target for this one, or you can use 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, that's how you take exits using the strategy. All right, or you can hold for long. All right, now the most important thing is that you want to know when the market will start reversing, and that is what this indicator here will help you to do. All right, this indicator plus this price action method here will help you get a better entry using this strategy. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is to make sure you back test or you demo trade it for like a week or two. Don't just take my words for it. Make sure that you have practiced with the strategy and you have confirmed that it's working for you before you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that's what I said I should just quickly share with you guys in today's video. All right, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe. All right, make sure to give the video a like so that it will get to more people, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, for those of you who have not yet joined the free VIP community, the door is still open. All right, what you do is that you join my free Telegram community. All right, the link is in the description of this video, and if you're watching from TikTok, the link is in my bio. All right, click on it, and if you click on it and it refuses to go, copy it and then paste it on your browser. When you click on it from there, it will go through. Okay, so when you join this free Telegram channel, you are going to see the instruction for you to join the free VIP community. Okay, my free VIP community, you don't need to pay for it. All right, I don't normally charge for it before, but I will be making it free throughout this year 2026. So you just need to follow some simple condition, then you'll be part of the family. Okay, so make sure you don't miss this opportunity. All right, so that's going to be all for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.